Greetings worlds and wanderers alike. Today we are at the Prince Waikiki. This is going to be a narrated version of the King Oceanfront Harbor View room. Today we're going to be staying in room 1818. Without further ado, here we go. It's your initial view as you walk into the room. And to your immediate right, you have a restroom, the bathroom rather, which we'll get to in a second. And to your immediate left, you also have your closet. And upon check-in, generally they'll provide you with a complimentary gift bag as well, just for saying thank you for staying with us. This is going to be your initial view as you walk into this room, which is kind of a cornered room in relations to the canal, not the canal, but the harbor, the oceanfront view, as well as the pool in Ala Moana. So we're also going to have a large mirror, television. Here underneath the TV, you got your fridge. Little area up there you can put some stuff. So this fridge is on the smaller side, but you do have space for canned items, probably a bottle or something as well. So this situation is a particularly special situation, and I think I'll drop a little plug in the end of the video for you about what that is, why that is, and what it relates to. So this is something they started earlier this year. This is your Prince Waikiki 35th anniversary water. It's personalized with the partnership that they have with Path. If you've ever seen those Path water bottles, and these are actually tamper sealed, so that's pretty good. Nobody's opened them. Also, you have a large drawer space here, fairly deep drawer, and you have a built-in safe to this drawer as well. Combination situation, very deep drawer, which is actually, in my opinion, larger than most of your standard size safes when it comes to hotel rooms. In here, you have your tea and coffee. It's provided. At the bottom, you have your ice, cup glasses, and you actually get a bottle opener and a I guess a wine bottle opener as well, which is something you typically don't see at some hotel rooms. Off to the side here, you have a desk space, chair, some good lighting. You can actually angle this lighting as well. It's on a little lever, so you can move around this light if need be. Onto the side here, you got two power outlets and two USB. Very spacious room. And here you have another seating area, which you can get a lot of natural light as well, along with your view of the harbor. A nice little table here as well, in case you want to eat something, read something, whatever the case may be. Side table here, you have another soft light, but underneath you have power, two USBs. You got your information about your bed linens. Your phone here is personalized to whoever the guest is that's staying in the room. Your name will be displayed there, and then you have your power function for the motorized blackout curtain and sheer curtain at the window. So here you got your sheer, and behind the sheer, you actually have your blackout. So I'll show you that here in a little bit. Bottom drawer here, and a couple reading materials. Also equipped with a flashlight and storage if you need it. Haven't done a bed test. I'm not sure what type of pillows those are, but stayed here before and very comfortable. Got a power outlet here. Some more little space there. Power outlets and 2 USB as well. I'll get to the TV functions and features later, but it's definitely a plus of staying here at the Prince Waikiki. Just coming over here, you got to your right now, your closet. Inside here, you're gonna have an extra pillow at the top, a couple of robes, which I will be utilizing. Also, a couple pair of house shoes, suitcase luggage holder, ironing board and iron, as well as a price list for any kind of laundry services that you want or that you may request. Easy to use, super functional, AC and heating unit. Nothing special about it, but it works very well. Here you have your restroom, bathroom rather. Very, very spacious. So you have this huge mirror here. A couple glasses, some face towels and a trash bin at the bottom. Have your tub, which also comes with the liner here that you can string across in case you need to wash anything or let your swim trunk, bathing suits dry off from the pool area, unless you're washing some things by hand. Got some complimentary soap and lotion items. Some more information about your towels. You have an outlet here as well. And then you have this, I guess I'll call it a motion vanity. So you'll click the button here whenever you're ready to use it. Anytime you're in front of the vanity, essentially the light comes on. So you stay in front of the vanity, the light stay on, and it's also functional. You can move it as well. Behind door number 1, you have your commode area, where you come up with your best ideas and plans. You have your control here. As well as some more info. On opposite sides, separately, you have your walk-in shower. Company products. Pretty spacious walk-in shower. And as I mentioned, for the blackout curtains, no need for them all the way down, but I'll just show you the view as well as another function that I like of the window. So here are your controls. You have your sheer and your blackout, or you can operate them both simultaneously. So we're just gonna raise this up. Whole view. That's your floor to ceiling view. So even through here you can see the entirety of the harbor itself. You got Honolulu Beach all the way out to Kakaako, and in the far distance back there, I think it's probably like Evo or Iroquois Point all the way over there. So one of the best things that I like is always natural air. So you see these two handles here, which are gonna operate your sliding windows. So I'll just do this one by one. All the way here, all the way there. Plenty of lighting, plenty of air, plenty of views. So I hope y'all got something out of this. Like, this is probably one of my favorite places to stay if I had the options to stay in. I guess you could still call this Waikiki. It's on the upper end of Waikiki, but definitely walkable to like Ala Moana Mall, any shopping and restaurants nearby, Ala Moana Beach Park, as well as if you want to just walk to Waikiki. You're really just right across the bridge. So yeah. Make sure you check out the Prince Waikiki, and I'm gonna tell you about these functions of the television as soon as I close this window. All right, window closed, so drowns out all that noise. One thing I can always appreciate about a hotel, especially if you're on a staycation, you know, you're with your family, with some children, and you really just want to stay in for a little bit, is having options and functionality of the television. Without just having that basic cable situation. So here, obviously, as you can see, feel free to check out the channel. I appreciate it. You have your online internet portion of the television, but also through your menu. Through the menu, yeah, we got hit exit. You see here you have your Netflix, your YouTube. You can sign into any of these things if you have accounts. However it's utilized, either it's through password or a QR code or something to that effect. So if you want to log into Netflix, essentially, you see how responsive it is. If you don't have an account, go ahead and charge it up, or you can sign in as well. So now you have at least movies or shows to your availability without having to worry about standard television. And this is your regular menu. You use the option here to use this QR code if you want to control the TV with your phone. You have your features here: television guide, internet, new movies that you will have to pay for, and everything's for your resort services. And those services are your dining, the amenities, the poolside cabanas if you want to rent one, Nilo Bliss Golf Club, just other little safety features as well. Yeah, if you're interested in knowing what the new movie section looks like, it is not configured, OTT. But as I said, you still got your television guide, your Netflix for the most part. There is not a function where you can use like Connect or something to that effect, or you can share your phone with the television, but at least you got Netflix, and you still have the TV guide, so hopefully that'll suffice, depending on how you're using your stay and how you want to enjoy this room. So until next time.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. I have these amenities given by the hotel as a birthday cake for you.
Thank you,
All
Mahalo.
right, this is your cake, and I have this card as well, and it's answer. All right, you guys enjoy, sir.
Thank you.
All right,
Mahalo.
welcome. All right, cool.
Thank you.